Today we are doing half up, half down styles that's perfect. Straight out the box, this wig is 100% Malaysian hair, 13x6 cap, 130% density, and the texture is silky. They did deep bleach the knots already, and it comes with this beautiful pre-plucked hairline. This is the first style. You can see that the density and everything is perfect for any type of style that is going to be pulled up, or if you want that everyday comfortable look. This wig matches the season very well. Let's get into the next hairstyle. You can part it all the way toward the middle part of your head. This is just a simple half up, half down style. I'm starting with just separating the hair from the front and the back. So I'm just going to put this into 2 ponytails and just dealing with the hair itself. It's so silky, it's so soft. The texture is just so gorgeous. I did create a bit of edges here just to make it really cute. This is a simple style right here that you can wear. This is style number 1. This next style is doing these 2 cute buns. I know a lot of people like their pinup looks. I'm going to use these butterfly clips. Anybody remember these from the 90s? These will make a really cute updo style. So this is style number 2. Just adding a little bit of an accessory will just create a simple style. Now you can take this wig to the next level and pull it all the way up into a higher ponytail or a pin-up look. I'm going to show you that right now. So this is another style that I felt like was cute. I just kind of put the hair into a ponytail, and as you can see in the back, it covers the nape, so you don't have to worry about the nape of the wig showing. And it's a simple style that look like it's in the ponytail, but it's kind of just pinned up, and you have the 2 buns at the top. What I'm doing now is taking all of the hair and pulling it to the top of my head, which I didn't need any hot comb, I didn't need any hair mousse. Notice with all these styles, I don't need any type of styling product. And as you can see, the back, look at that. Yeah, this is style number 4. Look how flawless that look.